How to check Gemini AI usage limit. Here I will show you what it means and how they work. Now to check Gemini usage limit, what you do here is to click on this setting icon on the down section here. Now what you do now is to click here usage limits. Now here is the usage limit. You can see current usage, you can see weekly limit. Now here on this current usage is where you see how many tasks you perform on Gemini. Here is where you see it. Now here on weekly limit is where you see the weekly limit, and also know that one benefit is that it's reset every 5 hours. Here it reset on this usage limit every 5 hours after usage. Here now this work based on the package you upgrade. Here you can see the picture on the screen. It work on the package you update and consume tokens. Here you can see the token on the picture. It consume token based on the package you upgrade to. You can see it. Now how the limit work? It measured API limit across 3 dimensions. The first one is request per minute, the number of API calls you can make in 60 seconds. This is how the first limit is calculated. Now the second limit calculation is token per minute, which is TPM, the volume data, which is the input tokens processed per minute. Now the third one is request per day, which is RDP, the total number of requests allowed per day. And this reset, if you are in Pacific, you can say 5 hours, or it will reset at midnight. If you exceed between these limits, you receive a rate limit notification that you have exceeded or you have passed the limit usage. So if you want to increase your limit usage, what you do is to click on this upgrade and upgrade your package in order to increase your limit. You can see the picture on the screen, you can see the table picture on the screen based on the limit usage and based on the token consumed depending on the package you are using. Here you can see the picture on the screen. Now if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tutorial. Check out the playlist in order to know how to use Gemini based on tutorial. See you there and have a great day. Peace.